Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting both devices ready. Make sure your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network because casting relies on local discovery. Once done, open YouTube on your phone and the YouTube or Cast Receiver app on the TV. If your TV uses a Chromecast or an external adapter, plug it in and set the TV to that input. If it's a smart TV, just confirm the YouTube app is visible. These steps let the phone find and talk to the TV. You now perform the main action. Open a video in the YouTube app on your phone and tap the cast icon in the player or app header. The phone will scan and show available devices. Choose your TV or Chromecast entry. After connecting, the video streams to the TV while your phone becomes a remote, so you can pause, seek, change volume, or queue additional videos. If you want higher quality, make sure the phone's YouTube settings and the TV support the resolution you expect. To finish, tap the cast icon again and choose disconnect or stop casting. The TV will continue only if you started playback directly on the TV. If your device doesn't appear, make sure both devices are on the exact same Wi-Fi network. Then reboot the phone, TV, and router. Sometimes network isolation or AP guest modes block discovery. If wireless casting fails repeatedly, use a wired HDMI adapter from phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.